noon Friday. What? Heavy mixed precipitation expected. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 6 inches and ice accumulations of a light glaze. Where? Montour, Northumberland, Columbia, and Schuylkill counties. When? From 4 a.m. Thursday to noon Friday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult, especially during the day on Thursday.
I think that's full times the quadruple head though.
Sleet and freezing rain are expected. The snowfall totals will be highest on the higher terrain. The snow will be a wet, heavy snow. Expect the precipitation to turn to rain during the afternoon and early evening, cutting down the snow totals. However, the multiple precipitation types will make travel hazardous. The Pennsylvania Department of Transportation and Pennsylvania Turnpike Commission strongly encourage motorists to heed all travel restrictions and delay unnecessary travel. Significant winter weather conditions will make travel very hazardous. Call 511 or visit www.511pa.com for the latest travel, roadway, and traffic conditions. To report snow or ice, post to the National Weather Service State College Facebook page. Use Twitter at NWS State College or visit weather.gov/CTP. Winter weather statement for the following counties: Adams, Cumberland, Dauphin, Lancaster, Lebanon, Perry, and York.
Oh wait, that's
Winter
gonna
weather
be
advisory
uploaded.
remains